What's good, everybody? Let's look at these charts real quick. All right, so Stellar Gold here, Coinbase, Crypto.com. I don't know. There's multiple platforms you can use to trade crypto that actually give you access to the entire crypto market. Okay. Uh, we're gonna try to focus on some of or look at some of these charts real quick. Um, get Stellar Gold. Yeah, so I'm not really worried about what price is gonna do from here. I'm buying at this point, so probably I'll probably share my portfolio a little bit, some of my portfolio with you guys, soon. So just stay tuned for that. But yeah, it doesn't really matter what price does from here. It could go lower. I'm still probably going to buy. I'm going to absolutely buy if price goes under 5 cents. Okay, so if price goes under 5 cents, even so if price reaches about 5 cents even, uh, I'll surely buy for sure. Some more. Uh, Probably not at 5.5 cents, but at 5 cents, I would buy some more of this coin for sure. And I kind of didn't leverage too much and played it safe. Uh, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, so we'll see. I don't know. Maybe we'll get a breakout here above 7.5. Um, Maybe go up to 9 and break out over 9.5. Go up into 10 cent. Um, yeah, so just watch for that. So I'm buying on the way up or the way down. Either way it goes, I'm buying. Price is just at all-time low right now. So yeah, definitely looking at this one. Let's see what else we got. See what else we can look at. See what else we can look at. Okay, you see we got some stocks here. Some things we can trade here. Okay, see prices was looking like it's green right now, but it's down on the day. Okay, daily chart right there. This arrow will give you a drop down, and it will give you access to see, this is trading view, so this is only you know given certain access before actually trading the account. And I don't know if you saw just a few seconds ago, you can create a free account too, but um, um, which would obviously give you access to more tools, or whatever. Uh, so just got done looking at Stellar Gold. Stay tuned. We got tired market. You know what I'm saying? Looks like TradingView.com gives you access to all these different markets here: stocks, bonds, futures, forex, crypto, indices, bonds. Okay, options, economy. Okay, so my bad, y'all. I'm getting used to holding this camera, but yeah. So I think you can pay for more access to other features or whatever within this program platform, uh, but you don't have to pay to simply look at these charts. So price is at a breaking point here. So I'm pretty sure we could draw a trend line if I wanted to. I can also do it by hand also, and that's probably what I'm gonna do. So just give me 1 second. I'll just draw it by hand. Or actually, see, because I haven't actually seen if we could draw it. Okay, so okay, you see, so price is getting real close to a breaking point. Okay, you got a trend line here now for the sake of doing this with, oh gosh. Okay, so you see a trend line there. It's really more like a support line. So if price breaks up through there, boom, okay, you got a different trend being set. Okay, that's simply what that means. And then you see a little come on, bro. So yeah, but I wouldn't be too set on the market selling anymore though either, for this coin. So this is what you call a wedge, okay? Or you could call it a bull flag, you know what I'm saying? So price could stay somewhere in this range here. Watch for a dip below 15.9, I suppose. If price gets below 15 cent, that's not gonna be a good sign. So yeah, we don't want that to happen. So we don't want price to get below 15 cent. So watch for that. But not a bad look right here. I'm buying this coin. Probably, yeah. So probably bust, yeah. So I am for sure buying this coin. The price is just too good right now. We can go to the monthly chart too. So you see we had some consolidation for almost 2 years straight, and the boom, price just shot up all of a sudden. Okay, looks like it quadrupled, almost tripled a little bit. But for a year straight, price just went down, up, down, up. Okay, so definitely paying attention to this one, especially considering the market and what the market's been doing. So yeah, we could very well see a bull market here soon. So we've been in the bear market for a little while. Obviously Bitcoin, even Bitcoin just went through a little bear cycle. So you see what I'm saying? So this coin has been bearish for 4 years now. So almost 5. It's crazy. So I don't know. Something to watch for. Obviously trade at your own risk, but a lot of potential to make some gains on this coin. So if you've been holding or just wanting to get it, well, actually this is not financial advice, so trade at your own risk. But if you have been holding, shout out to you. Or if you got in, at some of these lows here, price doesn't seem to want to go too much lower. So I mean, you guys know the game. So all right, so we just looked at 2 coins. You see the abbreviation right there. Press pause if you need to press pause, man. So, you know what I'm saying? Press pause if you need to press pause, my G. So yeah, this is another coin. Same thing, okay? So what do we got here? Some correlation, right? With Cello Gold, right? So, but this is priced less than a penny, half a cent right now. So, got a spike there in 2024. Price went from about 5 cent up to 20 cent. So that's a 4x right there. Looks like that happened in 1 month. This is the monthly chart. That's why you see that M right there. Okay, so boom. Now price is half a cent. So that went up from, wait, oh my bad. That could have been a penny or whatever, because right now price is at half a cent. So that could have been a penny all the way up to 20 cent. That's what you call a 20x. So you probably could have 20x your investment right there. $100 would have became $2,000. $1,000, $20,000. 10, 200. Yeah. So just like that. If you weren't paying attention, half of your profits, gains would have got erased within the same month. See how the candlestick closed a little bit down here? Boom, that's where it closed at, right there. So it went up and then came down and closed right there. So yeah, if you weren't paying attention, you would have erased over half your gains. So definitely got to pay attention to the market. Obviously, you see anything can happen. So price could shoot up from here. Who knows? You know what I'm saying? And how long? We don't know. Okay, so yeah, it's very speculative at times. So just monitor. I mean, you guys know if you're trading and stuff. You know. Let's see. I don't have to preach too much. So that's cool. Let's look at Bitcoin real quick. See what Bitcoin's doing. It's probably correlating with some of these other coins too. It's probably down on the day, just like everything else. Okay, this is the monthly chart. And just because a few coins correlate with one another doesn't mean that's what the rest of the market is going to do. So this is the daily chart. Well, this is the daily chart. So Bitcoin, and it is technically down on the day because you see that wick there. So that little tiny wick that you see above that little tiny green candle. So obviously the trading day just started, or there just hasn't been much motion or volume, or whatever the case. There hasn't been much motion in the market. Let's just say that volatility, I suppose, for today. So the market has barely moved. Hold on, y'all. My bad. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. I guess I can. You know, I gotta move a little bit with the camera. All right, so yeah, so Bitcoin is consolidating right now. Okay, what does that mean? Okay, I don't know why I keep doing that. Maybe I want you guys to read that. Okay, so Bitcoin is consolidating. I'm probably gonna have to retype it in. Sure. So annoying. All right, so you know, we got other ways we can show you guys some of this stuff too, but I mean, I think for now you guys see some stuff. So okay, so where we at? Daily chart. So Bitcoin has been consolidating since June, but it just erased like half of uh, its previous all-time high. Okay, so Bitcoin's at 60,000 right now, down 50%. Okay, if you got in even 2023, you still up 5 times. You know what I'm saying? Your initial position. So not bad there. I guess 6 times. Uh, so yeah, so you're still up if you got in 2023. When price was at 13,000. So which isn't bad. $5,000 to be up $6,000 on $1,000 investment. It's not bad. Even if you just happen to miss the past 5 months of the market tanking. Definitely pay attention to your portfolio. Stay tuned for more.